Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to bundle on Poshmark in 2025. If you're a seller on Poshmark, you know that standing out in a crowded marketplace is key, and bundling is one of the smartest ways to do that. Bundling lets you group items together for a discounted price, encouraging buyers to snag more from your closet while boosting your sales. It's super effective for 2025, with Poshmark's latest updates making it even easier to use. First things first, what exactly is bundling? Simply put, it's creating a package deal where customers can buy multiple items at a reduced rate. This not only increases your average order value but also builds loyalty among shoppers. To get started, log into your Poshmark account and head to your closet. Select the items you want to bundle. They could be complementary pieces like a top and jeans for a full outfit. Next, click on the Bundle option when viewing an item or go to your listings and choose multiple items. Poshmark's 2025 interface has made this seamless with a new Create Bundle button. Once selected, set a custom price for the bundle. Pro tip: offer a 10 to 20% discount to make it irresistible, but don't undervalue your items. After that, add a catchy description highlighting the savings and why the bundle is a must-have. Share it on your feed or directly with followers to maximize visibility. Now, for some best practices. Theme your bundles around seasons, styles, or occasions, like a summer beach bundle with swimsuits and accessories. This makes them more appealing and shareable. Also, track your bundle performance in Poshmark's analytics to refine your strategy. Remember, the goal is to make buying fun and convenient for your customers. Wrapping this up, bundling on Poshmark in 2025 is a powerful tool to skyrocket your sales. Give it a try, experiment with different combinations, and watch your listings fly off the virtual shelves. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more selling tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.